Human aggression is a complex and multifaceted behavior that has fascinated scientists for centuries. It refers to any intentional harm or threat of harm directed towards another individual. While some level of aggression is a natural part of human behavior, excessive or chronic aggression can have serious negative consequences, including physical and emotional harm, social isolation, and legal repercussions. In this article, we will explore the various factors that contribute to human aggression, from biological and environmental influences to psychological and social factors. Biological factors. One of the most widely studied factors that contribute to human aggression is biology. Research has shown that genetics play a significant role in determining an individual's propensity towards aggressive behavior. Studies have identified specific genes that are associated with increased aggression, such as the MAOA gene, which is involved in regulating the levels of neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain. Individuals with a specific variant of this gene have been found to be more prone to aggressive behavior in response to stress or provocation. Another biological factor that contributes to human aggression is the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for regulating emotions and motivation. Studies have shown that individuals with a larger amygdala, a structure within the limbic system that is involved in processing emotional information, are more prone to aggressive behavior. This may be because a larger amygdala leads to a heightened response to perceived threats or provocation. Environmental factors. Environmental factors also play a significant role in contributing to human aggression. One of the most well-known environmental factors is exposure to violence or trauma during childhood. Studies have shown that individuals who have experienced childhood abuse, neglect, or exposure to violence are more likely to engage in aggressive behavior later in life. This may be because these experiences can lead to changes in brain structure and function, as well as negative psychological effects like anxiety and depression. Another environmental factor that contributes to human aggression is social learning theory, which suggests that individuals learn aggressive behaviors through observation and imitation of others. This can occur through direct observation of aggressive behavior by peers or family members, as well as through exposure to violent media like television shows, movies, or video games. Psychological factors. Psychological factors also play a significant role in contributing to human aggression. One of the most well-known psychological factors is frustration intolerance, which refers to an individual's inability to tolerate frustration or setbacks without resorting to aggressive behavior. This may be due to underlying personality traits like impulsivity or low self-control, as well as negative cognitive processes like catastrophizing or overgeneralization. Another psychological factor that contributes to human aggression is anger management skills. Individuals who lack effective anger management skills are more likely to engage in aggressive behavior in response to perceived threats or provocation. This may be due to underlying emotional regulation difficulties or cognitive distortions like overgeneralization or black and white thinking. Social factors. Social factors also play a significant role in contributing to human aggression. One of the most well-known social factors is social norms and expectations around aggression. In some cultures or subcultures, aggressive behavior may be seen as acceptable or even desirable, leading individuals to engage in more aggressive behavior than they would otherwise. This may be due to underlying cultural values around masculinity, honor, or status. Another social factor that contributes to human aggression is social support for aggressive behavior. Individuals who receive social support for their aggressive behavior, whether from peers or authority figures, are more likely to engage in more frequent and severe forms of aggression than those who do not receive such support. This may be due to underlying social learning processes or cognitive distortions like justification or rationalization. Conclusion. In conclusion, human aggression is a complex and multifaceted behavior that is influenced by a variety of biological, environmental, psychological, and social factors. While some level of aggression is a natural part of human behavior, excessive or chronic aggression can have serious negative consequences for individuals and society as a whole. By understanding the various factors that contribute to human aggression, we can develop more effective interventions and prevention strategies for addressing this important public health issue. Whether through genetic counseling, environmental interventions like violence prevention programs or media literacy education, Psychological therapies like anger management training or cognitive behavioral therapy for negative cognitive processes like catastrophizing or overgeneralization, or social interventions like cultural sensitivity training for authority figures or peer mediation programs for conflict resolution skills building among youths. There are many ways we can work towards reducing the prevalence and impact of human aggression on our communities and our world.